Hello friend, my name is Akil. You are watching the Coding Mentor YouTube channel. Here is a boilerplate code when we start a new Flutter project. So let us remove all this code and let's start from the beginning. So to create the initial screen we have to start with a main function. So this main function will call the runIt function, which will call my app class. So since my app still needs to be created, we are getting errors, but no issues, we are going to create our my app class right now. So it's going to be a stateless class, so let's create a stateless class in my app. Then, now we are having this app. Let's now remove this place order and let it replace it with a material app widget. Inside there we have to pass a home attribute which is going to point toward our landing page. So to create it, let us type home and the class we are going to point to is our splash screen. Since it still needs to be created, we are getting an error, but no issues. We are just going to create our new class, name it splash screen. Now, here the material app is also going to be a constant. And this placeholder is going to change to the scaffold. Let's just run this app right now. We are getting a white screen, and let us add a body to this scaffold. And here we can pass the center widget to make our next image or next text in the center. So its child is going to be a Flutter logo. Let's try to save it. So now, you can see our Flutter logo in the center of the screen. And inside there, we are going to change the size to large. Let us make it a bit more than 65. Okay, now it is alright. To create text just below the Flutter logo, we have to wrap this Flutter logo inside a column widget. Now let us set the column's main axis alignments to the main axis alignment.center. Let's add the text widget under the Flutter logo. Text is going to be just Flutter. Try to save it, now you can see our text is there. Let us style it with our text style. Set its font size to, and our font weights to bold. Now let's add a gap between the two widgets with a sized box. Give a height of 20. Now let us see how our app is going to work. Now we have to create another screen to switch from our splash screen to our home screen. So we have already created our splash screen and we have to create our home screen. A new file with a home screen.dark. Let's create a stateless widget with a home. And let us go back and just above the return statement of the widget. Let's add a timer, with the duration in milliseconds. Let's give it 3000 to get a 3-second delay. And inside let us pass the navigator.push. Let's replace the root with the material page root, with an anonymous function with passing a context. And home screen, let us type home screen. Here it should give the predictions, not given the prediction. That means we are having some errors. So let's check our home screen. It is just home, not the home screen. So let this replace the home screen with the home. Now semicolon and semicolon. Here we go. The splash screen is switched to. Let us restart the application. Here it is, the splash screen, and here it changed to the home screen after 3 seconds. Getting a black screen because we are returning a placeholder. Let us write as a scaffold instead of it. Inside this scaffold, let's give a body with the center widget. And inside that let us pass at the text widget with home screen text for recognition. Now we can press the back button to go back to the home screen. Then restart the app. It is how we can create a splash screen in a Flutter with a time delay and auto switching to the next screen. Let them see it in the next video. Thank you for watching.